Today, the Collegian with Purpose Project Spotlight is on Dr. Gretchen Jones Torbert. Dr. Torbert is a vibrant, transparent, heartfelt, young and successful author of over 80 books. She is a life coach, a humanitarian, an educator, a philanthropist, an entrepreneur, mentor, mother, and motivational speaker who reaches the hearts of people to give them inspiration through motivation. Her story is real and will capture the hearts of many. Dr. Torbert is the founder and CEO of Teachers Across the World, where she houses over 200 chapters, including the local chapter of Teachers of Atlanta that was developed to inspire and celebrate educators. Let us welcome Dr. Gretchen Jones Torbert to the A Collegian with Purpose Project Under the Spotlight.
Thank you so much. I'm so glad to have this opportunity to be interviewed by you. This is absolutely amazing.
You're in the Educator and you work in the school system. Is there enough said and discussed about purpose? Should it be more intentional?
Yes, it definitely should be. I really think, because I try to be a very unconventional educator in the things that I do, I think when dealing with school age kids, I think you have to go outside of the European standard of education and just begin to tap into their skills and abilities to help them refine and redefine who they are and why they're here. So I think at a younger age, that does sometimes look more like external gratifications versus internal abilities and innate being of why you're here until you get older. I think that's probably why a lot of people get to young adulthood and question their very essence, because they didn't have an opportunity to tap into why are you here? What are you here for? Versus being told what you're going to be taught for years that did not have any correlation to your essence.
You know, the standards and, testing is how we're judged, right? Right? And so how do you shift that? How do you make a change when?
Well, that is about laying a layer of a brick into a huge building. Either you're going to be very zealous in your efforts and sometimes rebellious in a good way. I do a lot of asking for forgiveness and permission. I do that quite often. Versus asking, I will come back and apologize, but I'm going to do different things so that the ones I work with, whether it's an adult or a child, don't find themselves reaching a place and not understanding why are you here? What is the essence of your being? You're here for a reason. And especially with us dealing with so much social emotional issues, and we do use that word quite a bit, but with students who are wanting to just eliminate their lives and don't think they should live any longer. Wow, it's mind-boggling. But again, with the fight against social media and peer pressure and not knowing who you are, and realizing the differences and the variances of who your being is important, then you have question. And so our education system doesn't set that up for that at all. So you have to be a trendsetter in the education field. You have to be a change agent. You have to consistently ask for forgiveness instead of permission to do certain things so that you can tap in and help these individuals identify their essence for being here.